What's up, potato people? Today I'm going to be mixing random things in my refrigerator. Let's go. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a cup. This is what I'm going to be mixing all of my stuff in. No, I'm not eating or drinking this. Okay, so the first thing that I have that we're going to mix is some ketchup packets that I got at the commercial the other day. Check out that vlog, by the way. Alright, I'm just gonna put this here. Pour it all in. Here, I'll tilt the camera so you can see what I'm doing. Delicious. Right now, it's good. Right now, it's considered delicious. Because the next thing, see, this is it so far, and the next thing that I'm going to be mixing is the gross part. I have here, that I also got from the commercial, some tartar sauce. So let's go pour that in. This is going to be disgusting. Oh, look at that. Ew. Okay. Oh, it's already disgusting. Ew. And oh, it's gonna be chunky too. I'm going to go get a straw to mix with. Just kidding, I grabbed a fork. Let's mix. Oh, it smells disgusting. And it looks disgusting. It looks like somebody threw up with blood in there. Oh God. Disgusting. Look at that. Oh. Just seeing the whole thing move. Alright, I'm gonna go grab some from my refrigerator and see what we have. I'll be right back. Okay, here I have some half and half Big Y. So let's open this up. It's not opened yet. Screw that idea. I'll be right back with something. Okay guys, I am here with some Coffee Mate coconut cream. Please say this is opened. Yes, it is. Let's go ahead and pour some of this in. Ew, it smells so bad. Oh God, why did I do this? I can't even look at it, it's so gross. And it smells disgusting, look at that. Oh, ugh. Brady, come over here, smell this. Just smell it. You won't have to be over it. Just smell.
I don't want to.
No, just smell. Smell.
I don't want to.
Because it smells disgusting. Brady's a chicken. Alright, let me go grab something else. Alright, I am here with some jalapeno hot sauce, the green stuff. That's why I pretty much chose it. Let's put this mixing thing to the side. Let's open up this hot sauce. Ew, oh God, this looks weird. Oh, it's kind of freaking me out because it looks so weird. I'm not putting too much because I love this hot sauce. Alright, look at that. Oh yes, do you see that? That's the hot sauce. Now I'm going to mix it up. Huh, that's so weird. It literally didn't even change the color of the stuff at all. That's weird. Warning, disgustingness is about to come. I've got broth. Chicken broth. Alright, let's just open this up like this. This is a weird container. We got the broth, see that? The broth. Let's pour some of this broth in. Why am I choosing everything of the same color? This is a disgusting color. Why? Alright, let's mix it up. Oh, it just made it more liquidy. Okay. See that? So I have to pour out. It's hard to show you because Brady quit being the cameraman. So now it's completely, this channel's completely up to me. The struggle is real. Alright, so now that we got our creamy goodness over here. Jack! Alright, so we got this creaminess right here. I'm going to make it thicker with some organic blue agave, even though it's not even blue. Wholesome! Alright, let's open this. Let's pour some of this nectar in here. Oh, I missed a little bit. Oh God, what is it doing? Mix it up. The reason why I'm not showing you is because it literally didn't do anything when I put it in. Oh God, it smells so bad. Why? Oh God, it's so bad. All it did was make it a darker color. Alright, so this color turned a little bit darker. It's really hard. It's really hard for me to show you because now it's wicked liquidy. That was weird. But you can kind of see the color right there, like that. I need something to fill it up more. And I know just the thing. Mayonnaise. Real mayonnaise. Let's pour this mayonnaise in. Oh! Ew! I don't know if you guys... Here, I gotta show you this. Look at this, guys. Look at how disgusting this is. Oh, God. Heaven, why did I do this? Alright, let's, I guess we're gonna mix this up. Oh, it's all thick and chunky. Oh God, why? Oh, it's sticky from the. Oh, do you see the chunkiness in there? Look at how Oh God, that's from the mayonnaise. Why? Why are they mayonnaise? You're the root of all evil, even though you're so delicious. Just not in this. Why does it smell so bad? I thought nothing in there smells bad. Except maybe mayonnaise. Except mayonnaise. Mayonnaise smells good. What is this? I'm going to tilt the screen up so you can see my face more. Alright, I'm gonna go get something else. Be right back. We got that sour cream! Daisy sour cream! Let's see what this does. Let's see if this is more disgusting or less disgusting than the mayonnaise. Here, I should probably get a napkin to put the mixing thing on. Probably be a good idea, right guys? Yeah, probably. Oh yeah, I think this is a good time to say, if you haven't subscribed yet, smash that subscribe button. Like, if you know what I mean. Like, take your phone, your fist, and smash it like this. Alright, time for some sour cream. Oh my God. What the heck? Why was there liquid coming out of that? See the sour cream on top? I don't know if the glare you can see that. Oh God. Oh, can you see the chunks? All the chunks, look at all those. It's from the mayonnaise and the sour cream. Actually, the sour cream did a good job of dissolving. But the mayonnaise, it's just all chunky. It smells even grosser now. I'm probably going to put in 2 more things, so let's go. Alright, to save myself from editing, I've gotten 3 things. Welch's grape jelly. Stay open fridge. Lemon juice. and some hot fudge. That'll make this go by quicker because we are almost over 15 minutes. So, let's get to it. And I forgot some mustard. Mustard. Yellow mustard. Do you know mustard comes from seeds? I never knew that until I heard what mustard seeds were. I heard what mustard seeds were, so, and I got 10% battery, so I gotta make this quick. The lemon juice didn't do anything, so I skipped it and went right on to the next thing. It's time. We're gonna go from the least worst to the most worst. Next is hot chocolate. Hot fudge. So. Nothing's coming out. Let me be right back. I'm gonna go grab another one. Alright guys, we got the Hershey syrup now. Ew. Oh, it's gonna make it smell so much better though. That's good. This over here. Mix it up. I got it basically on my mixing thing. Oh, it's making it like... It's like the color of my skin. What is this? Look at... A little bit later. Not on the camera, in real life, it looks like Brady's skin color. Yeah, that just darkened it. Now we're going to add some yellow mustard. Let's go. Yes, we do. Oh god, why did I do mustard? Oh god, that's so bad. I don't know if you can see that. Look at. You see that? The mustard, the yellow. Oh god, this is disgusting. Oh no, it really didn't do anything. It just made it more yellow. Oh wow. Oh, it smells. It smells so bad. I've never, ever smelled something as bad as this. Smell it, please.
I took the tiniest little sniff, and it's like disgusting. Hold on.
Brady's gonna hurl. Alright, let's do the last thing while Brady gets his water. Grape jelly.
That looks like barf.
I know it does. Yeah, now it literally looks like barf. Alright, so let's open this grape. Shelly, why don't you open?
Feed some to Jax. See if he freaks out.
Alright guys, I am running out of storage here on my phone, so let me just quickly put in this last bit of jelly and then we can end the video. Let's go. Oh god. Oh god. Oh my god. I'm taking my phone off the stand to show you guys this. What is this? What is this? Now let me mix it. I know. Well, this is my final product. Right here. Oh god, the bottom looks disgusting. It looks like blueberries. So, this is what I just created out of all the stuff that I just put in. So, hope you guys all, wait, what? If you guys all enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Mainly subscribe. Come on, guys. We need 2 more to get to 40. Come on. I know you can do it. So, I'll see you guys all in the next video. Tater Bros X, Tater Bros Y, Tater Bros bye.